Learn exactly how to use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, MiniMax, DeepSeek, and more completely free with Tabbit Browser, one unified platform giving you access to every major AI model at zero cost in 2026. In this video, I show you the complete step-by-step setup to access all top AI models free via Tabbit Browser using the officially verified method working right now.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So this video is about Tabbit.ai. Here you can see the official website, and you can enjoy this in macOS and Windows also. Just scroll down. Here you can see feature of this anything agent, also agent mode available. And when you scroll down and to the FAQ section, here you can see, is Tabbit really free? Yes, the browser is free. Every model in the picker is free. And which AI model can I use? GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, 𝐂𝐭, and here you can see a lot of MiniMax, a lot of models are available in this browser, and these are the FAQ. So in the first, you need to just click on this operating system which you had. Click on this Windows. I had Windows, so here you can see the exe file is downloaded, but I already downloaded it and install in my computer. So you can simply search it in your desktop, Tabbit, and open it. Here you can see by default, but in a first you need to create an account. You can use your Gmail account, it's normal. And after click on this my profile icon, here you can see my profile, and what you want to do. Here you can see a lot of models are available like GPT, Claude, 𝐭𝐿, GLM, MiniMax, Claude, Gemini, again GPT 5.5, DeepSeek, Claude Opus, 𝐭𝐿, GLM, GPT, Gemini, Claude, MiniMax, DeepSeek, v3.2, 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭, and a lot of models are available. You can also use, here you can see skill format also. These are the all chat, and you can also add agent mode. Here you can see agent mode. If you want to do anything by the help of agent, simply select this agent mode. And few of the models are paid and few of the models are free. So let's select one of the free model. And after switch many model, you can easily know which models are free and which models are paid. Simply let's select 𝐭𝐿 2.5. Here you can see it's selected, but when we select another model, let's check DeepSeek, we already MiniMax check, it's also free. Then Claude 𝐬𝐭, it's all paid. Here you can see a notification, this model is only available for pro member. Claude Sonnet, when you select 𝐭𝐿 3.7 Max, it's selected, it means it's available for us. GLM 5.2, it's also available for us. Let's select Gemini 3.5 Pro. Here you can see a notification, this model is available to pro member also. So few models are paid, few models are free. You can enjoy it for chat purpose only. You can't do much coding or anything. For that you need to watch I'll suggest you to watch another video how to install 𝐭𝐿 in your browser. Here you can see this is the best to write code in a completely free. Just watch this video. And here you can see I create many videos related to AI. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.